Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about WyvernChat Error Code 429. The error reads, "Request failed." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to generate a text. According to our research, the error may happen if the service is being throttled by the model provider. This is especially common with some popular models like DeepSeek. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and go back to WyvernChat and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try using WyvernChat from any other browser. For example, if you are currently using Chrome, switch to Firefox or Edge. Then check for the error again. If the error continues, then probably the issue is with the model provider. In this case, try selecting a different model and see if this helps. Simply go to the model selection area in WyvernChat and choose any other available model except the one currently in use and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then keep retrying. Some users have shared that retrying a few times eventually works. But if this happens too frequently, it may not be worth it. So we advise you to continue using alternate models until the issue is resolved. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.